Now we enter maths 2A, partial fractions. Partial fractions. Okay, clear? Seventh chapter. So this the partial fractions means meant in this chapter what it has means we are going to divide the functions of fractions individuals. So how we should be means example I am writing. Example we have a function like this 2x plus 3 and a 3x plus 1. Example I am telling. So this something number 2x by 3 and 5 by 3x plus 1. If you take this as you can take multiples, take LCM and do it out, you have to get like this. It means what are the numbers will come when you're dividing like this. Example, this you divide some number. I don't know which number. I am taking A by 2x plus 3 plus B by 3x plus 1. So what are the number will come here? Am I clear? It's this combination of fractions which dividing into individuals. How they are going to divide it? How you are going to subtract it, how you are going to separate it. Those are things will be learned in the partial fractions. Have clear it? Not only for the different models are available, some 2x plus 3 whole square and x square x cube. How we are going to be opening the individual fractions of individual blocks. That is what we have to understand in the partial fractions. Okay. So when you're doing the questions, you will understand it more clearly. Don't worry about that. Let us in the partial fractions. I think in the partial fraction there are three types of models are there. Number one is, I think we know that the fraction is nothing but it is numerator by denominator. Fraction nothing but numerator by denominator. In there are three types of model is there. After giving a question, you need to understand it's a type 1 or type 2 or type 3. So let us go for, I'll try to say it's a type 1. The type 1 model is denominator degree is more than the numerator degree. What I told you? Denominator degree is more than the numerator degree. This type 1. Example, let us say I'm trying to write an example. What are those? 1 by 2x plus 3 into 3x plus 1. This is the one question here. What is the degree of numerator? Nothing is there. You can export 0, you can write down. What is the order degree of the numerator? Numerator degree is 0. What of denominator degree? 2x into 3x, x square will come. 2x into 3x, 6x square. It means the degree of the denominator is maximum is 2. It means denominator degree is more than the numerator degree. This is a type 1 questions. In examination, you need to understand after giving a question, this is a type 1 or type 2 or type 3. You need to understand. If question should be like this, you have to understand it's a type 1. Type 1 questions, we have to do one method. Type 2 is the other method. Type 3 is also other method. Okay. Let us go for what is the type 2. Type 2 is nothing but denominator degree is equal to numerator degree. It is type 2 questions. So how's our example? Please, can you tell me any example? Let us, you can write 3x plus 4 into x plus 3 by x square plus 3x plus 4. Example I am telling. What is our degree of the here? 3x into x square. Degree is how much? 2. Here x square degree is 2. So both degrees are same. Or as example, I can write other also. X square plus 3 by x plus 1 into x plus 3. What's the degree of numerator? 2. What's the degree of denominator? 2. Both degrees are 2. This is comes under type 2 model. So you need to first remember what is the type 1, type 2, type 3. Next, type 3. Can you expect what is the type 3 model?
Lesser.
Yeah, denominator degree is less than the numerator degree. It means numerator degree is more than that. It's a ulte of this one. Example, I write example. X cube by x plus 1 into x plus 2. What's the degree of numerator? 3. What's the degree of denominator? 2. Clear, right? So this
Yes.
is was this becomes the type 3. So once again I remember after giving the examination, you need to first of all identify it is type 1, not type 2, type 3. Depends upon the types. We have a procedures. Okay. That is what the partial fraction is very, very important chapter. A plus b whole square. What is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Like that. This is the one of the important topic in the intermediate of mathematics. Whenever you do, this is major important. Am I clear?
Yes.
Please note it down. These three models. I'll go for model 1, model 2, model 3. Please note it down. Okay.
Yes, sir. Finished.
Yes, finished. Okay. Right. After this, note it down. I will tell that some procedure how to open that fractions. Example, questions I'll take and I'll write it down. Example, how to do it out. Example one question is there. Model one, 1 by 2x plus 1 example. Some x plus 3 is there. Like this is there. Okay. Question should be like this. Okay. How to open? What is the order of the? It is more type 1 or type 2? It is type 1 because denominator degree is more than the numerator. Type 1. So after type 1, you has to open like this. What is the degree of this equation? X into x, x square. Denominator degree is 2. So you'll get two parts. A by 2x plus 1, b by x plus 3. Like this you write down. Am I clear? So
Yes,
how
sir.
to open this, you have to understand. How to find AB, I'll explain the procedure later. Okay, copy this. Second one.
Finished.
Okay, second one. Question should be 2x plus 1 and x plus 3 whole square is there. Example, whole square is there. What is the degree of denominator?
Cube. 3.
X 3 will be the one. We'll get three numbers. One is a by
Yes.
2x plus 1. Because order is on, then you can write a by 1 plus b by, first you write x plus 3 plus c by x plus 3 whole square. Very important. Yeah. No, no. Okay. A by 2x plus 1 plus b by x plus 3 plus c by x plus 3 whole square. This is the way you have to open. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
This is what. Whenever you get multiple, more than one will come, first you write 1 by that, then plus b by that square. If you want to understand, one more question I'll write. One question is there. 1 by x cube is there. How to write 1 by x cube? First write a by x, b by x square plus c by x cube. That's all. Am I clear, right?
Yes.
So this is what one more understanding. Clear? Can I go to next model? Next, how
Yes,
to
sir.
open? Yeah, 3 is over. Next, I'll go for fourth one. Next, 1 by, previously what I wrote, example I wrote x plus 1
1
into,
by x cube.
yeah, I am writing one more. It is x square plus 2x plus 3 is there. This is one more model. Okay. What is the order of here? 1. This one, for this simple equation. So for this, what can write a by x plus 1. Okay. Actually, this how you'll get x square plus 2x plus 3 means it is second order. Degree is 2. You'll get two equations and I think BC will come. But it is, we are not supposed to do it x plus 1, x plus 2. It is not possible. That time we can write, whenever this is second order, we can write bx plus c by x square plus 2x plus 3. Are you clear?
Yes.
Why I wrote for only a for this? This is a first order. So write a into x power 0. Example I am telling. This is second order. It means you'll get 2. That is bx plus c. Bx power 1, cx power 0. Like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, one more question I'll write in such a way. If it is x plus 1 and x square plus 3 whole square. Okay. So how to write? I'm telling a by x plus 1 is very common. Plus internal thing, what is there? X square plus 3. For that, what he has to do? Example, bx plus c by x square plus 3. But it is power 2 is right. Power 2 means once you write
Yes, sir.
as usual, next c of plus dx plus e by x square plus 3 whole square. Are you clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Nothing is there. Go like this, but it is double is there. You can make it like this.
Yes, sir.
So
Understood.
this is the way we has to do that general open questions in such a way we should proceed.
Open.
Yeah, like this you open. How to find ABCD values? I'll explain very clearly later. Till this clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the case. First of all, the basic models we need to understand. First, model 1 is what? Okay. Model 2 is what? Model 3 is what? Model 4 is what? So first you need to understand the model, then you move forward. Very simple questions. Okay. Once again, I'll write a last question. How to open? It is model. 1 by x plus 1 into x cube is there, x power 4 is there. How to write? Tell me.
1 by x plus a by x plus 1
Goodbye.
and b by x and c by x square
Yeah, c
and
by
d by
x square d by x cube plus e
e
by
by
x power 4.
x power.
Okay, this is clear,
Yes,
right?
yes,
5 6 models. One more top model I'll write. It is not required to you. I'll write a covering of all. 1 by x plus 1 and x square plus 2 and x cube plus 3x plus 4. This is right. Okay. This is I'll keep it possible. This is I'll write square. Okay. So how to write these are all simple. First a by x
a by
plus
x
1.
plus 1,
Then
bx plus c by x square plus 2 and
dx
x
plus e
dx
by
plus e by x square plus 2 whole square.
plus e అయిపోయింది.
Uh,
e of x square f gx
fx
fx square because third order, right? Fx square plus
cube.
gx h by x cube plus 3x plus 4. This much big questions even not in common, even JIW exam also. What I'm telling how to proceed by using a procedure. Flow you need to understand first. Till this clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. If you are understanding this model, now you are ready to do the questions, right? We'll start the questions. Now I'll explain the questions with all model 1 only. After model 1 is finished, I'll come to the model 2 also. Then after we'll go for model 3. Okay. Now let us take your toppers. Let us, I'll take a first question. You should start working over here. First question only I'll explain. Rest of the question I'll do the homework for you. Let us, I'll take a sample question of your exercise 7th A. Question number 1. What is the question number 1? 2x plus 3 by
X
yeah.
plus 1 into x minus 3.
Wow, great. X minus 3. So this is a question, how should we do it is here. A by x plus 1, B by x minus 3. Clear? Huh? Yeah.
Yes,
Now this is over. Now this is what your answer actually. Exam law. This is what your answer. The answer with the values of A and B. So now agenda is what is the value of A, what is the value of B. Then you have to find out. Okay. So how to find value of A, value of B is, first of all, you have to take LCM you take for this. So left hand side, right as it is, LHS, x minus 3. Then you can write A into x minus 3 plus B into x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 3. Till this clear? Good. Now next
yes,
denominator going to be cancel. It's very simple. Next step you write 2x plus 3 is equal to A times of x minus 3 plus B times of x plus 1. Till clear, any doubt?
clear.
After this, I am taking x is equal to 3, both sides. My own condition. X is equal to 3 means this A going to be cancelled. 3 minus 3, 0, I'll get B answer. Okay. And substituting x is equal to 3. X equal to means what you can get? What you're going to get? 2 times of 3 plus 3. X equal to 3 both sides. 2 into 3 plus 3. A into 3 minus 3, 0. Then you get B answer. That is what I substituted. So 2 3 are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So B into 4. What is the value of B? B is equal to 9 by 4. The value of B you got. Okay. Clear na?
Yes, sir.
Case 1, I'll take x is equal to minus 1, I'll substitute. Because minus 1 plus 1, 0. Minus 1 both sides. So what you get? 2 into minus 1 plus 3. A into minus 1 minus 3 plus B into minus 1 plus 1. B going to be 0. How you get an idea? According to this number, you have to making it out. Okay. So what you get it out? 2 minus 1. Minus 2 plus
1,
a minus is equal to
1,
A into minus 4. This is 0. A is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After getting this, please substitute value of A, value of B here. A value anta minus 1 by 4. B
Minus
value
1 by
anta
4.
9 by 4.
9 by 4.
Your answers are, I'll try to write your answers. The answer is question minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 9 by 4 x plus 3. It means what you are going to understand is this is a question which is dividing the fractions into like this. Okay. How you dividing like this means this is the procedure. This is what your partial fraction chapter is required to you. Till this clear? Why
Yes, sir.
partial fractions we are using? I'm clear. This is the fraction how you are dividing. We cannot try directly the determine directly. We cannot. We how you know minus 1 plus 9. If you take LCM, you can do answer. You'll get 2x plus 3 only. That only we are dividing. That is what your answers are correct. Okay. Right. The basic models we are working over here. Next, we'll go to second question here. Second question is 5x plus 6y 2 plus
2 plus
x.
x into 1 minus x.
Please, I'll write just steps. Rest of the things he has to do it. A by 2 plus x, b by 1 minus x. Please doing LCM on that both sides. I'll write directly only. Why I should waste the space now? Plus b into 2 plus x by 2 plus x into 1 minus x. Am I clear, right? After
Yes,
this,
sir.
this is going to be cancelled. So what is the next step here? 5x plus 6 is equal to okay. This is the final equation. Next ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు ఇక్కడ x is equal to 1 పెట్టొచ్చు. Okay, x is equal to 1 to get value b.
0. 2.
Next, x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 here. X equal to minus 2 means to get value of a. This is value of b. Am I clear, right? Chesara?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that you can do. You'll get answer A and answer B. Because answer of A is here minus 4 by 3 you'll get. The answer of B you are going to get 11 by 3. After that you can substitute value of A and substitute value of B. Your answer is finished. Okay. Hello. Am I going to next question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's very simple. Next I'll go to second bit. Second bit, first question.
3x plus 7 by x
3x
square
plus
minus
7 by
3x plus 2.
x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay. Actually, this is a question. Yeah, you have to anyway. The question is coming like this. Try to do this. Going to be factorization. When I was doing factorization, I am getting x minus 1 into x minus 2. Am I clear? It's
Okay.
x. If it is
Yes.
not possible, you can write directly. Some it is ax plus b by that you can write. You can do move forward. Situation will come. If it is not open, you can go. If it is open, you can write down. This is a fresh question now. I think this question how to do. You know, right? A by
Yes, sir.
x minus 1, b by
b by x
x
minus
minus 2.
1. LCM
Next,
cancel.
yeah,
into
LCM
substitute.
cancel. X equal to 1 by 10, x equal to 2 by 10. Answers are same. Wow, good.
Yes.
And then I don't want to waste your time. Good. Next, this is what you are understanding means the answers are very easy. Next, second case, second question, x power 4 by x square plus 4, x square minus 4, and x plus 1.
X plus 1.
This I'll take some small conversion. I'm trying to do it is x plus 4 is there. This is x square minus 4, right? I can write x square minus 2 square into x plus 1. A square minus b square, right? It is become a plus b into a minus b and x plus 1 r is there. Kind of clear?
Yes.
Now we can write this a by x plus 2 plus b by x minus 2, C by x plus 1. Clear? Huh?
Yes.
Because 1, 2, 3 individual. You can write down. Next time, Jali, what is the next procedure? Take LCM, cancel.
Cancel.
First x
X cube.
equal to minus 2 you can keep. Next x equal to 2 you can keep. X equal to minus 1 you'll keep. You'll get an answer. Okay, but sometimes you might have to do a wrong way. I'll write that LCM how you have to do it after do. X plus 1 is numerator like this. Here you'll get a into, this is cancel, these two terms will get a into x minus 2 into x plus 1. Okay, then b
Yes.
into, this term will not come, x plus 2 into x plus 1. I think you know how to do it. These are all LKG things. See, by this term,
Yes.
this term will get x plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, first of all, when you take x is equal to minus 2, this cancel, you get a value. Next x equal to 2 you'll get this cancel, 0 will come. X equal to minus 1 will come. This cancel, you'll get c values. Then you substitute. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Can I move to third question?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Second bit, third question is 2x square plus 2x plus 1 by x cube into x square. Okay. This question, please copyright your own. Something I should change the question. 2x square plus 2x1. I am taking x square is common. It will look like this. Okay.
Yes.
So try to think what is the order. It is, see what is the order it to. It is a model 1, type 1. You can go a secular procedure. What I should do? This I can write a by x plus 1,
X
x plus 1. Just I'm telling b by x,
square.
c by x square.
B X square.
Yeah, some people might have a question, sir, can I take a by x, b by x square, c by x plus 1? Nothing wrong in that. You can take like this also, a by x, b by x square, and c by x plus 1. Whatever you take, it doesn't matter because a, b, c are LKG things. It will come into between, it will go end of the thing. Okay.
Yes.
So which can I take? This is forward, this is front, this is forward. Nothing will be there. Answers are same. Okay. This is a third question. It is homework for you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, can I go to next question?
Yes, sir.
Fourth one.
2x plus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube.
Okay. Fourth one is 2x plus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube. Okay. What can you write here?
A
Yes,
by
you can write
x plus 1.
a by x minus 1.
P by x minus 1 whole square and c by x minus 1 whole cube.
Okay.
LCM. Squares we have to convert.
Yeah. I think you know, right, how to do it here. A by
Yes.
taking LCM,
Yes.
a by x minus 1 whole square, b by x minus 1 plus c, 2x plus 3. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, till this clear. But here, when you substituted x is equal to 1, you'll get only c value. Other things should not be possible. Am I clear, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how to do
Yes,
it,
sir.
rest of the values, that I'll try to explain here. Uh, I'll write in the next page to understand very clearly. After this, how, let us, I'll take first thing. First, I'll take x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, what is the value you'll get? 2 into 1 plus 3 into a into 1 minus 1, right? This is all, this value going to be 0. Next, b into 1 minus 1, you'll go into 0 plus c. This is a value 0. This is a value 0. This value you'll get. Yeah, kuchon cheppandi. Next, 2 plus 3 answer is 5, right? Then value you'll get
Yes,
c,
sir.
c you're going to get it out. But what about how to find value of a, how to find value of b? I'll explain that next. How to find, we can guess the answer by substituting the value of x, the what values you are going to write it down. Am I clear? Right? But rest of the things, it is not possible to find AB directly. You are not supposed to get other answer because only option is x minus 1. So other than this, how to find rest of answers, I'll explain that regular process. This is what just now the trial and errors. A is equal to how can I substitute what I'll get. That is a logical thinking. Find how to find rest of the things. I'll try to explain now by taking this question. I'll expand it. Is okay. Next page I'll take. Here, what is it? 2x minus 2x plus 3 here. Then a into what do you get? X minus 1 whole square. B into x minus 1 plus c. Very careful. Listen very careful. After this step, very important here. Okay. Next step, what you has to do means, first of all, a 2x plus 3. Open this. A into a square plus b square minus 2ab plus b into bx plus minus b plus c. So I'll open ax square plus a minus 2ax plus bx minus b plus c. Clear? I'll take a into x square, nothing is there. Plus I'll take x is a common. What will get x common? B minus 2a. Next, rest of all constants. Okay, this is 2x plus 3. It'll open cheyali. You has to open like this. Any question, you has to open like this first. X square, x constants. Okay. After this,
Yes, sir.
compare the quotients. Compare x square quotient. X square quotient ఎంత ఉంది ఇక్కడ? Left side, right side ఏముంది? A. Left side ఏముంది? Nothing is there. You can write 0 into x square. So compare x square quotient. What do you get relation? 0 is equal to a. So what is value of a? What's the value of a? 0.
0.
Next, compare x coefficients. X coefficients, what is the value of here? 2.
2.
What do you get? B minus 2a. Am I clear? Right?
Yes, sir.
Already, what is the value of a? Substitute. What is the value of b now? So b is 2. Thing is clear? Next,
Yes.
AB values you know. Next, go for third relation. Compare constants. Constant means it is 3. So 3 is equal to, I can write here, 3 is equal to a minus b plus c. Am I clear? It's what's the value of a? 0. What's the value of b? What's the value of c? You are going to find out. What's the value of c? C is equal to 5. Clear? Like this, you have to find
Yes.
out all values. So you got c value same.
Yes, sir.
You go like that, we go like this, answers will come. So this is the way you have to write the rest of answers here. Clear?